What up guys, Mike Cafro here, and today we're going to be taking this stock Polaris Ranger to the next level by installing a Rockford Fosgate audio roof system with 12 8-inch speakers, 2 10-inch subwoofers, and a 1500 watt amp. This system is closer to what you'd find in a luxury sports car rather than a utility UTV. This is one of the easiest and most fun upgrades you could make to your UTV. To start off, we're going to remove the stock roof. Once that's out of there, we're going to place the back section of the system. After that, we're going to put the front section in place and fasten it in. Let's run our wiring. We're going to start by drilling a hole behind the rear seat to run the wires through. Hook up your harness to the battery and run the power cables up the rear pillars and connect into the system. Now let's throw on the rear audio cap. It should snap into place and get finished off with the supplied hardware. And just like that, you're ready to hit the trails with the best audio system out there. For a step-by-step detailed tutorial, check out Rockford Fosgate's official installation video. To purchase, go to your local off-road shop or go to the Rockford Fosgate website and buy direct, and keep an eye out for any additional upgrades.